Welcome to French Consonants. In this lesson, we will learn about some interesting and particular facts about French consonants. In French, the letter H is always silent. Hôtel, eau, hier. The letter R is very particular in French, which some people find it hard to pronounce. It is uttered by putting your tongue at the back of the mouth. Sœur, vers, ra. In many cases, the final consonants preceded by a vowel are not pronounced. Chat, pas, mot, trop. In this lesson, you have learned French consonants. Let's practice. Hôtel, eau, hier, homme. Sœur, vers, rat, riz, chat, pas, mot, trop, estomac.